Ditch the endless phone calls and appointment juggling. Let's build AI agents that do it all for you using Vapi. First, head over to Vapi. We need to create a new AI agent. I'm pointing directly to the Add Agent button. Think of this agent as your virtual assistant. Give your agent a descriptive name, like appointment setter or lead outreach bot to keep things organized. Next, we'll give your agent personality and purpose. In the agent settings, specify its tone. Friendly, professional, or assertive. Then, define the agent's role: sending cold emails, nurturing leads, or scheduling appointments. This provides the AI baseline of information to follow. The true power of Vapi comes with its integrations. Connect your agent to your calendar, customer relationship management CRM system, and your phone system. Now your AI can check availability, update client information, and trigger phone calls. Create a call flow. The logic that governs the agent's conversation and interactions. Outline each step: the initial greeting, the information gathering process, appointment scheduling, and the follow-up notifications. Once the configuration is complete, test it by initiating a phone call. You will see how the agent speaks seamlessly with your potential customer, taking notes, updating your calendar, and sending confirmations. Finally, monitor the agent's performance through Vapi's dashboard, focusing on the number of calls made, meetings booked, and the efficiency of the agent's workflow. We're focused on scaling up, saving time, and maximizing your outreach potential.